Hi, I'm Cassie. I'm a youth services assistant here, and I'm here to show you guys today about our new book display, which is all featuring cookbooks and cooking themed stories. Like this one is an awesome book to start out with. It is called Storybooks Do, and it offers recipes in here that you can make with your child. And it also pairs that with storybooks or picture books to go along with that theme, which is an awesome thing to do if you're wanting to try to get your child to try new foods, which I know is a really hard thing sometimes. This one, speaking of trying new foods, talks about, it's called Tony Baroni Loves Macaroni, and that's the only thing he seems to eat or want to eat. So this is an awesome picture book to try. It's fun with really good illustrations, and it also offers some cool activities at the end, as well as a whole lot of different pastas that he can try. So this is a really cute book to go along with our theme. This display over here follows our cooking theme. This is all nonfiction cooking books. So this is just full of recipes, like this one, The Forest Feast for Kids. So if you're wanting to try more vegetarian stuff, or if your family is vegetarian, this has a lot of really fun, cool recipes that you guys can try with your kids. We also have a lot of cooking books that feature different countries, which I love incorporating into my cooking. I love trying new foods from different cuisines. So this is a really fun, we have Italy, we have countries from all over the world. And those will be on display all month here. This is our picture book section, as you well know, and we have lots of storybooks over here, like this one called Apple Cake, A Recipe for Love. So this is it's a cute little story about how two people meet over an apple cake that they make together, and then even at the end, there's a really cute apple cake recipe that you can make with your kid. And then we do also have books like the Usborne First Cookbook. So even for your little ones, probably 2 or 3 yet as young as that, obviously, as you help them out. This has lots of cute recipes that you can try that are simple and easy, but something fancy like cheese souffle, which is also a really, if you're trying to get your kids to eat new foods, having them help you in the kitchen is actually a really good way to get them to try it. They might not like it still, but it's a good way to get them to try it. All of these books on the displays that I talked about are here, easy grab and go, just pick them right off the display. You can also give us a call and we can help pull some of these books for you, or you can use our online catalog and put all these books on hold and we'll get them ready for you to pick up as well. Also, as these books are being checked out, which we've already had quite a few of them checked out, which is awesome, we will be putting out more books about trying new things and fear and anxiety, which are also reasons why kids would not want to try new things. So hope to see you around soon.